风景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。最近有很多电影上映了。
什么？
你上一次进电影院什么时候啊？
我唔記得槍槍誒。
不記得了。到底是幾年了？
哦，當叫我。
2年、3年、5年？
有可能。
有可能是。OK， 好。So Alice has not been in the movie theater in a long time, but we're going to teach you this. OK， 今天就来教電影院好了，好不好？
好啊。天樣煙。
天樣煙。Okay, that is a movie theater. 那附近開了新的電影院 A new theater opened up nearby.
秋群開了新嘅天樣煙。
秋群開了新嘅天樣煙。附近就是秋群。That means nearby a theater just opened up. 那你既然這麼久沒看電影了，我們約一下好了，好不好？
好啊。
這週末，然後我們約在電影院門口見。
冇問題。
Okay, let's meet up in front of the movie theater.
en 玉都天樣煙。
en 玉都天樣煙。
門口見面。
門口見面。Okay, that means in front of the theater. 門前門口。Okay, 然後見面見面 that means to meet up. There you go. Now you know how to arrange a date in Hakka to watch a movie. So let's review some of these terms, including 附近 nearby,
秋群
秋群, and then in front of something or 門口
門口
門口, and finally it's the movie theater, 也就是電影院
天樣煙
天樣煙. And there you have it. Go watch some great movies that are coming out. Thank you for listening.
師母大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.